ผมเห็นแล้วค่ะผมเห็นครู
No? What do we have here now? Oh, okay, P5. Well, let me get to volcanoes. And teacher, they must answer in chat. They're going to type in chat. Okay, guys, can we start again? Looks like we lost each other there for a moment. Okay, P5, are you ready? Lexicon, Series 7. We'll start on the top again. Repeat after me. Cook. Cook. Dry. Dry. Lay. Lay. Sweep. Sweep. Tidy. Tidy. Clean. Clean. Put. Put. Water the plants. Water the plants. Feed. Feed. Collect. Collect. Palace. Palace. King. King. Houseboat. Houseboat. Transparent house. Transparent house. Found. Found. Farm. Farm. Castle. Castle. Tower. Tower. Candle. Candle. Fire. Fire. Wall. Wall. Wooden house. Wooden house. Glue. Glue. Dark. Dark. And the last one, River Nile. River Nile. Okay, students, now we're going to go and look at volcanoes. In guess what? Oh no. Come. Come. Okay, students. Quick question. Who can answer? Is there an active volcano in Thailand? Who can answer? Show me your hand if you can answer. Is there an active volcano in Thailand? Oh. Students, do you know what is a volcano? Can you see the picture? Can I see this picture?
Yes.
Do you know what is a volcano? Put up your hand. Do you know what is a volcano? If you know, put up your hand. Khan, do you know what a volcano is? You, do you know what a volcano is? Khan, okay. Okay, Khan. So students, let's have a look at a volcano. And dip. Dip. Okay, teacher. Why? No. Okay, let's listen and repeat the words. Listen and repeat the words.
Pupils Book, Unit 5, page 67. 1. Listen and repeat. 1.
Vent.
Okay, number 1 is vent. Can you see the picture? Number 1 is vent. Is this big on your screen, teacher? Up to there, no. Oh, make it bigger. Okay. Number 1 is vent. Number 2,
2,
crater,
number 2 is crater. Crater. Number 3,
3,
lava,
number 3 is lava. Lava. Number 4,
4,
rock,
okay, number 4 is rock. Number 4 is rock. Number 5,
5,
ash,
okay, number 5 is ash. Ash.
Pupils Book, Unit 5, page 67.
No.
1,
Okay, students, so that is a volcano. A volcano has a vent. A volcano has a crater. A volcano has lava. A volcano has rock. And a volcano has ash. Do any of you people recognize or know what is a volcano? If you look at those pictures, who can tell me what is a volcano? Can you put up your hand if you know what a volcano is? Anybody? Nobody? Oh no. Okay, maybe you must explain in Thai. What is volcano in Thai?
They look at the picture and they know.
You know in Thai. Okay, students, let's go on to the next one. Point number 2. We can't watch the video. Point number 3. Let's see if you can answer. Read and listen. Okay, students, I'm going to play it, read and listen. Follow the words in point number 3.
Pupils Book, Unit 5, page 67. 3. Read and listen. Volcanoes look like mountains, but volcanoes have a vent inside and a crater at the top. Sometimes they erupt, and very hot red material comes up the volcano's vent and runs into the crater. This hot material is called lava, and it is very dangerous. Next, ash and rocks fly high into the air, and the lava runs down the sides of the volcano. After the eruption, the lava gets colder and it turns to rock. Lava sometimes runs over plants, and then they stop growing. A volcano that erupts is called an active volcano. There are about 1,500 active volcanoes in the world.
Okay. Okay, students, I'm going to play it again. I hope you can see on the screen, follow on the screen. I'm going to play that passage one more time.
Pupils Book, Unit 5, page 67. 3. Read and listen. Volcanoes look like mountains, but volcanoes have a vent inside and a crater at the top. Sometimes they erupt, and very hot red material comes up the volcano's vent and runs into the crater. This hot material is called lava, and it is very dangerous. Next, ash and rocks fly high into the air, and the lava runs down the sides of the volcano. After the eruption, the lava gets colder and it turns to rock. Lava sometimes runs over plants, and then they stop growing. A volcano that erupts is called an active volcano. There are about 1,500 active volcanoes in the world.
Okay, now let's go back and see if you can answer and match these questions, students. Okay, on your chat, picture 1 is the top picture. Picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5. Understand? So if number 1, example, if I play number 1,
Ash,
Ash, which answer is it? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? In your chat. Oh, okay, show by hand as well. Number 5. Ah, okay. Even better. What is the answer? Picture number? Number 5. Okay. Happy. Okay. Number 2. Listen to number 2.
rock,
Rock. Which picture is it? Number? Ah, yes, well done. Okay, there we go. Well done, guys. It is picture number 4. Next one. Number 3,
crater,
crater. Picture number? Ah, well done. Picture number 2. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. And number 4,
lava,
picture number? Lava. Picture number? 3. Ah, okay, very good. Picture number 3, very good. And number 5?
vent,
Vent. Picture number? Number 1, yes. Okay, very easy, guys. Well done, students. Well done. Let's check. Yay, well done, guys. Okay. That's one of the students. Okay. Okay, students, very good. Now let's go on to the next one. Let's see if we can answer these questions. How do I close this now? Teacher, the cross is gone. Okay. Sorry. But hide away, I can't see that. Okay. Okay, students, now let's go to number 4. Let's see who can answer the questions at number 4. What is a volcano? What does a volcano look like? Which one is it? Let's make it number 1, 2, or 3. Show me with your finger. 1, 2, or 3. What does a volcano look like? Number 1, which is a mountain. Okay. What does a volcano look like? It looks like a mountain. Okay, very good. Number 2, what is at the top of a volcano? What is at the top of a volcano? Is it rock, ash, or a crater? Number? Which number? 1, 2, or 3? Who can answer? Ah, okay. Not many can answer. What is going on?
เด็กๆให้ชูนิ้วให้ทีเชอร์ดูนะคะลูกไม่ต้องพิมพ์แชทละให้ชูนิ้วเอานะคะ
Oh, okay. Number 3. Okay. What is the top of a volcano? It is a crater. Number 3. What happens to the very hot red material when a volcano erupts? It turns to rock. It flies high in the air. It runs down the side of the volcano. 1, 2, or 3. Some are saying 3, some are saying 1. 1, 2, or 3. Number 3. Okay, let's put number 3. I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, question number 4. How many active volcanoes are there? 150, 1,500, or 15? Answer number 2. Okay, let's check. Oh, hey, well done. Yes, well done, guys. Okay, very good, students. Okay, let's go have a look at the next page. Teacher. Oh. Okay, let's see if you can answer these questions very quickly. What happens when a volcano erupts? Okay. Go away. Oh. Okay, let's see. If you guys can, in your chats, you can answer. Look at the words and complete the sentences. Number one, well, we'll do it like this. Okay, number one is is it a vent, crater, lava, ash, or rock?
Now I can answer.
They can type. So in your chat, on your computer, go into chat and answer in chat. Number one, is it a vent, crater, lava, or ash? And how do I?
And only answer with.
Vent, okay, but where can I see the chat?
You look at here and answer.
I must look over there. Okay, so the first one is vent. Not that. Ah, okay. Okay, number two. What is number two? Is it a crater, lava, ash, or rock? If you can, type in your chats. Is it a crater, lava, ash, or rock?
It's a lava.
And they're saying lava. Well done, number two. Number 17, lava. Okay, it is lava. Cup, well done. And number three. What is number three?
It is
Crater,
up.
ash, or rock? Ash. Yes, very good. Okay. So number three is ash. Okay, let's look at number four. What is number four? Is it a crater or rock? Ah, very good. Okay, it is number four is a rock. And number five, very easy. What is number five? It's the top section. It is the crater of the volcano. Okay, let's check. Well done, guys. Okay, very good. And let's go to the next one. Question number two. Read and match the words to the meanings. Okay. Read and match the words to the meanings. We have number one, vent. Number two, crater. Number three, lava. Number four, ash and rocks. Number five, plants. Now we have to read and match the words to the meaning. A, this is the top of a volcano. B, hot lava can stop these growing. Hot lava can stop these growing. C, this is inside a volcano. Very hot material comes up it. This is inside a volcano. Very hot material comes up it. And number D, this very hot material comes from inside the volcano. This very hot material comes from inside the volcano. And E, the last one, these fly into the air above the erupting volcano. These fly into the air above the erupting volcano. So, number one, vent. What is a vent? Is it A, B, C, D, or E?
The answer number one. Example.
Yeah, answer C. Oh, okay. Oh, they can type in C. Not question mark. Number one is C, which is, this is inside a volcano, very hot material comes up it. It is the vent. Okay. Let's look at number two. Number two is crater. What is a crater? Is it A, the top of a volcano? Is it B, the lava inside? C, hot material? D, material comes inside the volcano? Or E, stuff that flies into the air? So what is a crater?
A. The answer A.
A. Yes, very good. The answer is A. Okay. Let's go have a look. Maybe I can do it here. It's better. Okay, sorry, students. There we go. So the vent is that one. Crater is A. Okay, number 3, lava. Which one is lava? Do you think it's A, B, C, or D? D. Okay. D. Okay, student number
Maybe
8.
it's not the same.
Oh, is it not the same?
You look and you see.
Oh, no, it must be the same.
C ใช่ไหมคะ
Oh, hang on.
She's inside อ่ะ
This one has changed.
You make mistake.
Yeah. Okay, wait. How do we fix that? The vent, this flies into the air. No. Okay, sorry. Sorry, students, it's different. The vent is
Inside.
yes, and the crater is
A.
A. No.
A, that means this is at the top of
This is-
the volcano.
Okay, students have to relook at it. Okay, and then number 3, lava. Which one is lava? A, B, C, D, or E?
พี่เดชคะ choice ในโปรแกรมที่ทีเชอร์เปิดตรงนี้มันจะไม่เหมือนใน activity book ของหนูนะคะ ดังนั้นให้เด็กๆบอกทีเชอร์มาเลยค่ะว่าดูตามในโปรแกรมเลยนะคะ ข้อ A ก็คือ this very hot นะคะ ข้อ B ก็คือข้อ B เรียงลงมาเลย A B C D E นะคะ เรียงตามในโปรแกรมที่ทีเชอร์บอกเนาะ เข้าใจเนาะ
Okay, so lava
ต่อไป
is,
ลาวาคืออันไหนคะที่มาใหม่แล้วลาวาคือ
or they can maybe tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, I tell them to A B C D E.
Okay, so lava is
Lava.
A. Oh, well done, lava. Okay, very good. And number 4, ash and rocks. Is it A, B, C, D, or E? These fly. B. Yes, well done, guys. It is B. Well done, students. And the last one, plants, this is number D. Yes, well done. D. No, not B. The last one is plants is hot lava can stop these from growing. Hot lava will kill the plants. Okay. Well done, guys. Okay, let's check. Yippee-yahoo. Well done. Wait. Okay, well done. Okay, there we go. Okay, students, let's check the next one quickly. Number 3, read and complete the sentence, then number. It won't be the same in the book again. Hey, the lava cools and turns down. Wait, let me just see if it's the same in the book, teacher. The lava
Tell them
turns.
to look here. Tell them to look at the program.
Okay,
ให้
it's
เด็
the
กๆดู
same.
ตามในโปรแกรมนี้นะคะ
Okay, students, look at your screen, and if you can answer, read and choose. The lava cools and turns into, is it lava, ash, rock, or plants? Okay, if you can type the answer. Yes, very good if you can type the answer. The lava cools and turns into rock. Okay, let's see if we put rock in there. Happy. Number 2, lava covers and they stop growing. Lava covers if you can type in your answer, yes, very good. Plants. Well done, guys. Number 3, you can see and in the air. What can you see in the air? You can see not plants. Okay, number 3. What is number 3's answer? You can see rocks and ash. Yes, very good. You can see rocks and ash in the air. Okay, and the last one, number 4, very easy. Lava runs down the side of volcanoes. Okay, so let's just read that again. Number 1, you can read with me, students. The lava cools and turns to rock. the lava cools and turns to rock. Number 2, lava covers the plants and they stop growing. Lava covers the plants and they stop growing. Number 3, you can see rocks and ash in the air. You can see rocks and ash in the air. And lava, number four, lava runs down the sides of a volcano. Okay, well done, guys. Very good. Okay, so now we understand the volcano a bit better. Well done, guys. And I think the last one, let's just see. Do we have to answer anything here? Read and put in order. Okay, you can see rocks in the air. Is number? Is number 1. The lava cools and turns to rock. I don't understand.
Let's see this one and this one here.
Not the number. How do you match?
You can see rock and ash in the air. Which one?
Yeah, there. Ash and rock in the air. But what number is this? Huh? What?
Put it in order. Put in order. Which one come first? Which one comes first?
Okay, what is the next one? Let's see. And the lava cools and turns to rock. Is that number 2? I don't
เด็กๆอัน
think
นี้
so.
ให้เรียงตามลำดับนะคะ Sure.
Oh, I'm going to do something quickly.
No, put the sentence in order. Which one come first?
Are we right? Oh, no, we're not right, students. Let's fix. Okay.
Confused.
Oh, confused. Okay, students, can you help me? What is number 2?
อันแรกคือนะคะ you can see rocks and ash in the air แล้วต่อไปจะเกิดอะไรขึ้น ให้เด็กๆเรียงตามลำดับ เอาประโยคมาเรียงดูสิพิมพ์ไปเรื่อยหน่อย
Which one is it now? Who can help me?
They said number 3.
Number 3. Okay, let's see. Number 3, we put number 3 there. Okay, then the next one. Lava covers the plants and they stop growing. Number 2 or number 4? I don't understand. What number?
They said 4.
Number 4. Oy, okay, I think you guys are cleverer than me. Well done. And the last one. Lava runs down the sides of the volcano. That is the last step. Are we happy? Sure. Let's check. Let's check. Ah, well done. Hey, P5, well done. Okay, teacher got it wrong. You guys got it right. Okay, students, now I'm going to show you a video on volcanoes. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it.
Stop share.
I'm trying to find it. Stop share.
And share again.
Okay, and share again. There. No, there.
Volcanoes. In this video, we're going to learn about different types of volcanoes. The Earth is alive. Not alive like you and me, but the Earth is always moving and changing and never stays the same. You may see it right before your very eyes, or you may not see or feel it happen at all. But it's happening right now beneath our feet. The Earth is changing. Let's explore some of the ways the Earth changes. Run for your lives! She's gonna blow! It's a volcano! A volcano is a fracture or opening in the Earth's crust through which magma escapes. Deep in the bowels of the Earth, beneath the crusts are vast chambers of molten liquid rock we call magma. Magma can slowly cool and become hardened, or magma with trapped gases can flow and feed a volcano and rise to the surface of the Earth. When magma reaches the surface, it becomes lava. A volcano may be active, or a volcano may be dormant, which means that it's only sleeping and may someday erupt. Or a volcano may be extinct, which means that it was once active but will probably never erupt again. Let's explore 3 types of volcanoes. Millions of years ago, the islands of Hawaii emerged from the sea, powered by erupting volcanoes. The formation of the islands of Hawaii are examples of shield volcanoes. Some of these volcanoes are active and continue to erupt. Other volcanoes have been dormant for 1 million years. These volcanoes are massive in area and have gradual sloping sides. The eruptions are like fountains, and lava flows are very liquid. The Loihi volcano, south of the big island of Hawaii, is one actively erupting volcano under the sea. Loihi is a seamount rising 10,000 feet from the floor of the Pacific Ocean, and as it continues to erupt molten lava, it one day will become an island all its own in about 100,000 years. Shield volcanoes are not as explosive as cinder cone volcanoes. A cinder cone volcano has straight, steep sides. In 1943, Senor Pulido was working in his cornfield near the village of Paricotin, Mexico. Pulido tells the story that as he and his family were working in the field, that the earth began to tremble and shake, and right before his very eyes, the ground swelled to over 6 feet. A fissure opened, and gray ash and smoke poured into the air, and the sound of a terrible hiss and the horrible smell of sulfur. Through the thick smoke, Pulido could not find his family. He went back to the village and discovered they had arrived there safe and sound. Through the days and weeks and years that followed, the volcano would continue to grow to over 1,300 feet high, or 396.24 meters. Spewing hot smoke and ash into the air, everyone had to be evacuated and find another home as thick, slow-moving lava would advance to the villages of Paracutin and San Juan, which were destroyed. Can you imagine how awful that would be? The Paracutin volcano has been very important to scientists as they have seen the birth and rise of a volcano and watch it become dormant. And though a cinder cone volcano may be terrible, it is no match for the spectacle of a volcano which can be far more powerful, far more terrible, far more frightening, and more explosive. Of course, we are talking about the stratovolcano! A stratovolcano is characterized by gentle lower slopes, gradually increasing to steep upper slopes. They are constructed of layers of hardened lava and volcanic ash and pumice. Stratovolcanoes are known to have violent eruptions, expelling fiery lava fragments through the air like bombs. Toxic gases fill the air, and massive plumes of ash clouds carry vast distances, making aviation travel impossible. These volcanoes are dangerous and deadly, and though lava from these volcanoes flows slowly, it covers and burns and destroys everything in its path. In the Cascade Mountain Range of southwest Washington state, there rises many beautiful snow-covered peaks. Some of them are volcanoes. One of these volcanic mounts is known as Mount St. Helens. It was no secret that Mount St. Helens had been an active volcano for hundreds, maybe thousands of years, and volcanologists, scientists who study volcanoes, had been studying St. Helens with their equipment watching and waiting for another perhaps major eruption. It was possible that St. Helens would not erupt in their lifetime. Even with fancy equipment, these things are difficult to predict. Then came the spring of 1980. For months, tremors and earthquakes shook the ground. On the north face of Mount St. Helens, a bulge began to form. Volcanologist David A. Johnston was watching and measuring the growth of the bulge with his lasers. On May 18, 1980, David called out over the radio, "This is it! This is it!" The caldera blew with supersonic fury. Everything in the path of this massive eruption was wiped out for 8 miles. David A. Johnston was camped right in the path of the most destructive volcanic eruption in known U.S. history. 250 homes, railways, bridges, highways, all gone. Could Mount St. Helens erupt again? Will you wait and see? In the world, there are nearly 1,500 potentially active volcanoes. 169 are in the United States. Is there one near you? Many volcanoes are located along the Pacific Rim, an area that reaches along South and North America, along the Aleutian Islands of Alaska, down the islands of Japan and the Philippines, Indonesia, New Zealand, and the South Pacific. This path in the Pacific Ocean is known as the Ring of Fire. For millions of years, our Earth has been alive with erupting volcanoes. In addition to those we've explored, and among the most frightening and terribly destructive are Mount Vesuvius of Pompeii, Krakatoa in Indonesia, and the volcanic complex in Iceland. And deep underneath Yellowstone National Park lies enormous chambers of molten magma, which one day may find its way to the surface and become the most massive supervolcano ever. Thanks for following Clarendon Learning. Be sure to subscribe. If you're looking for more teaching resources, check us out at clarendonlearning.org.
Monster Math presents Addition Below
Teacher เราเปิดไมค์หรือเปล่า Teacher ลอยเปิดไมค์ Teacher unmute
You forget
Teacher are you unmute
เปิดแล้วค่ะขอโทษค่ะ
What did you
เปิด
say?
แล้วค่ะ
What did you say?
Already mute and I forget to unmute
Okay, I hope they can all hear me. Okay, students, I hope you enjoyed that video about volcanoes. Now we're going to move on to your unit 6.
15 minutes
15 minutes. And it is about being at home. Oh, teacher, can they see this?
Yes.
Shall I like this, eh? Where's that screen? Let's put that over there. Ah, okay. What is these words? Repeat after me. Wash my clothes. Wash my clothes. Okay, this is about your house. And I'm going to ask you a question quickly just now. Cook dinner. Cook dinner. Dry the dishes. Dry the dishes. Put the rubbish out. Put the rubbish out. Tidy your bedroom. Tidy your bedroom. Wash my clothes. Wash my clothes. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Make my bed. Make my bed. Lay the table. Lay the table. Clean the bathroom. Clean the bathroom. And the last one, water the plants. Water the plants. Okay, students, so these are all things that you can do at home to help your parents. Now, I want all of you, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Go find in your house, I want you to find something that you can do to dry the dishes. Go and find me something that you use to dry the dishes. One, and go and find me something you can cook dinner with. Find me something you can cook dinner with. I'll give you 2 minutes. Go.
They understandไหมเนี่ย
I don't know. They're all just sitting. They don't understand. Explaining Thai.
Sitting
Hey, why are you sitting? Go and find something in your house that you can cook dinner with.
เด็กๆดิเชอร์ให้หนูไปหาอุปกรณ์หรือหาอะไรก็ได้ที่หนูจะเอามาทำคุกดินเนอร์เนี่ยค่ะที่มันเกี่ยวกับคุกดินเนอร์เนี่ย ไปหามาเลยอะไรก็ได้
Okay, cook dinner and what was the other one I said? Sorry. Yeah, I'm just trying the dishes. Where's it got? Oh, and go and find something that you can use to dry the dishes.
หรือ dry the dishes ก็ได้อะไรก็ได้ไปหามา1 ชิ้น
One item. One item and cook dinner, one item. Let's see what they can bring.
ไปหามาแล้วอะไรก็ได้ เอ้ยไม่ใช่ตัวเอ้ยจังเลยอ่ะ
Okay, I want to see if you can go find one item. Find one item that you use to dry dishes with. And find me one item if you have to cook dinner. What will you use? What have we got? What is that? A pot, a knife. Okay, oh, students, just don't stab anybody. We got a pot. Okay, well done, students. Yay. Okay, let's see. What have you guys got? How can I see them here? I can make it bigger here. Okay, now I want to ask the students what they've got. Okay, what's his name again? Bright. Okay, Bright, what have you got? Unmute your computer. Tell me, what have you got? In English. Don't just wave it, Bright. What have you got in your hand? Why is he not talking?
ได้เปิดไมค์แล้วคุยกับทีเชอร์หน่อยค่ะ
Okay, Bright, unmute yourself and tell me what do you have to make, to cook dinner? Okay. Right, where have you gone?
This.
What is that, right? In English. Spatula.
Spatula. Spatula.
Well done, Brad. It's a spatula. Well done. Okay, let's see.
Spatula.
And what's the student's name?
ปิ่นมุกเปิดไมค์แล้วคุยกับทีเชอร์หน่อยค่ะ
Okay, Pimo, what have you got to cook dinner with? Yes, in English, what is that called? Spatula. Okay, a spatula. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go to student number 14. There.
Which one?
There. There he's sitting.
ภูริเปิดไมค์แล้วคุยกับทีเชอร์หน่อยค่ะ
What have you got? Where did he jump to? Okay, student, what have you got to cook dinner with? No. What is that in your hand? That is a knife. A knife. Okay, let's go student number 2.
พิมพ์ค่ะพิมพ์ห้อง2ค่ะลูก
Where's she gone? Pingmon, what do you have in your hand?
พิมพ์ไปไหนแล้ว
ค่ะ
Yes.
มีอะไรอยู่ในมือค่ะ
Pim again, what do you have in your hand?
กระทะค่ะ
No, not a cup. No, you have a pot. Okay,
กระ
students.
ทะค่ะ
Yes, okay, very good. Okay, students. Those that have spatulas in their hand, wave your spatula. Wave your spatula. Who's got spatulas?
อะไรวะ
Okay, very good. Okay, students, who has got pots? Who has got a pot? Wave your pot.
เอาอะไรอ่ะ
Wave your pot. Who's got a pot?
ใครมีหม้อคะขึ้นเว็บให้ทีเชอร์ดูหน่อยค่ะ
Okay, who has got a pot? Wave your pot. Okay, very good. Okay, now, students, who has got a knife?
a knife
Who has got a knife? Wave your knife.
โรย
Oh, don't cut yourself. We. Okay, very good, students. Okay, now, who has got something to dry dishes with?
อ่ะไป หามาใหม่ค่ะ dry dishes
Go find me something that you use to dry dishes
ไปหามาใหม่เร็ว
or to do the dishes. I'll give you 1 minute. Quickly, go. Go find something that you use to do or dry dishes. 1, 2, 3, go.
อะไรก็ได้ที่เกี่ยวกับการล้างจานนะคะ ไปหามาแล้ว
Just don't fall on the knife when you run. Oh, I forgot these kids are going to hurt themselves. Ah! You dry dishes with... Who is that?
พิมล้างจานนะคะลูก ล้างจานน่ะหนูเอาอะไรล้างจานเหรอคะ เช็ดจานล้างจานอ่ะ พิมอันนั้นมันทำกับข้าวอะลูก
Team, go find something to dry dishes with. You can't dry dishes with that. That's a spatula. That's for cooking. Ah, okay. Yes, students, there we go. Ah, okay. What do we have? Okay, very good. To dry dishes with. Well done. What's his name? Yeah.
ปรินเตอร์
Well done, printer. Yes, you got soap. Very good. Snack. What are you doing with a pot? You can't dry dishes with a pot. Bright.
เด็กๆเอาหม้อมาทำไมลูก
Bright, you're not cooking now. We're drying dishes.
อ๋อ he will
Are you going to wash the pot? Okay. Yes, so we got soap. Well done. Who has got a cloth? Who has a drying cloth? Does anybody have a drying cloth? Ah, there we go. There we go. The student's got a drying cloth. What's your name? Atom. Atom, what have you got there? Atom, you've got soap and a drying cloth. Yes, ask good to show
อะ
soap
ตอ
and
ม
drying
ข้อ
cloth.
สองอะตอมหนูเตรียมอะไรมาคะไหนเอามาโชว์หน่อยเร็วมีอะไรบ้าง
Soap and she had a cloth.
มี
Where's
อั
the
นเดียว
cloth?
เหรอคะ no
Oh, no cloth. Okay, that one.
แบม
Bam Bam, what do you have? Bam Bam, answer.
ค่ะ
What do you
ไหม
have?
ครู
Bam Bam?
คะ
What is that you have that you wash? That you wash dry
เรีย
dishes
ก
with?
อะไรอ่ะ
What is that called, Bam Bam?
หอยขัดหม้อ
No, in English, I don't know. What is that called?
Scott Bright you know Scott Bright
Ah, very good. Yes.
yeah Scott
It is a Scott Bright sponge. Hey, sponge. Scott Bright sponge. Very good to wash dishes with. Okay, and you. Where's you? You, are you going to wash a pan? You. Can you hear me? You. What do you have in your hand? A pan. Are you going to dry dishes with a pan? Hey, student, take the plastic bag off your head. Okay, is that the lesson finished? Time finished? I don't know.
4 minutes
4 minutes. Okay, students. So when you're helping at home, you can dry dishes using Scott Bright, a cloth. You can wash with soap. And when you cook dinner, where's dinner gone? And when you cook dinner, you can use a pot, pan, spatula. Nobody had any rice, but it's okay. Okay, students, we've got 4 minutes left. I want you to go and find something to tidy your room. What will you use? What will you use to tidy your room? Go find something that you can use to tidy your room. You've got 1 minute.
ทำความสะอาดห้องอาจจะใช้อะไรทำความสะอาดห้องไปเอามา They said they bring all stuff
Find anything. I want to see.
they bring all stuff in the house
It's okay. Good. Have a bit of fun. Oh, well done. Number 15, a broom. Yes, we got a broom. Yes, a guitar broom. Very good. Okay. Student number 15, a broom. Very good.
18อ๋อไม่ใช่
What's number 18 got?
broom
Also a broom. Okay. Everyone's got brooms to tidy their room. Okay, what else can you use? A broom. What else can we use? Broom. Yes, I've got a bag. Well done, I've got a plastic bag. Broom, broom, broom. What else can you use to tidy your room? Just a broom.
น้ำฟ้าจะเอามาทำความสะอาดห้องเหรอลูก
Anybody got a brush?
She got this one
A pen. A pen. Student, how are you going to use a pen to clean your room? Oh. Who has got anything else but a broom? Who has got a brush?
นอกจากไม้กวาดแล้วมีใครมีอื่นอีกไหม
Anybody got a brush? Oh, teacher, you know when you collect the dust? Anybody got a dust collector?
สแตมป์หญิง
Anybody got a dust collector?
สแตมป์
Stem, where's Stem?
สแตมป์หญิงเนี่ย
Stem, okay. Stem, show us yours.
แบมบูเตรียมอะไร
Bamboo's got a brush. Stem's got a cleaner.
แบมบูการดิส
Ah, well done. Someone's got a mop. Okay, who's got a mop? Who's this? Yes, Khan. Khan has got a mop. Okay, mop is very good. A broom is very good.
แบมบูการดิส one
Ah, bamboo. Vacuum cleaner. Ah, okay. Very good, bamboo. Yes, you got a vacuum cleaner. Anybody got a brush?
แฟน
Plan got a brush. Yes, very good. Anybody got a cloth? No one got a cloth. Okay, anybody got a coat hanger? What's a coat hanger? To hang their shirts in the cupboard. A coat hanger to hang your shirt? Who's got a coat hanger?
ที่แขวนเสื้อ
Who has got a coat hanger? Oh, oi. Oh, oi, how much have you got? Well done, oi. You've got everything. You've got a duster.
คนมาหมดบ้าน
You got a brush, you got a broom. Well done.
จะทำ
Okay, students, now do me a favor. Go to your room and start cleaning.
ไปเลยค่ะที่เชื่อว่า go to your room and start cleaning your room
Okay.
มาห้องเลย
Okay, students, P5, thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you Thursday. I don't know. Goodbye. See you guys Thursday. Don't forget, go and clean your room. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.